The future is taking shape right before our eyes. It's not just a house, it's a home, a place where memories will be made and lives will be lived. A true masterpiece requires the touch of experts. Our team of skilled professionals are dedicated to creating a home that exceeds expectations. The process of building a house begins with the foundation, the backbone that will support everything to come. The plumbing and wiring, the hidden systems that will keep this home running seamlessly. As we stand here in this empty space, it's easy to imagine the endless possibilities. Every detail is carefully considered, every connection precisely made. The finishing touches are being added. A ray of hope, a symbol of new beginnings.
Introducing Nawaz and Sons Builders, turning your dream home into reality.